you're prepared to break the silence, I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up.
Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This is the only channel that is optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. I don't mean small rich, I mean multi-billion, trillion-dollar rich, because the more your equity increases, the more your lot sizing increases, and the more you make huge profit. Now, what I'm trying to show you now is Boom 300. There is a very big, massive buy signal, like series of buy that is coming, and this series of buy is coming in the week and in the month. It's not yet ready, but it's coming. It's going to come in short while. In no distance time, it's going to come. If you want to enjoy this new buy signal that is about to erupt, because it's a must. Market cannot flow in one direction. It's a must. You have to join the VIP. That's the information, because we are going to kill this market. We are going to make the market. We are going to both scalp. We are going to both go long term. We are going to go all the terms, short, medium, and long. Okay. It left for me as a signal provider expert to know which is short, to know which is medium, to know which is long. I see the price of Boom 300 to react to price of 7,000 plus and above. There is no lie about it. That is the truth. Even if you are doubting it, if this market is going to react, maybe using short-term approach, it's going to react to a price of just 4,000 plus. That is over 1,000 pips. It's okay to save you from poverty or bankruptcy. If your maximum lot size use to trade such signal is one lot size, like the maximum lot size that, like, based on total position, your total position give rise to maximum lot size of 1, you are making over $1,000 plus. It's a good money compared to when you lose or when you have given up. Join VIP. It will change your life. I think the cost of joining VIP right now is not so big or expensive, because what you gain is infinities, like innumerous. Now let me show you something. A lot of people join some VIP where they spend some money per month, but at the end they blow their account. They also go to another VIP and join, and they blow their account. They also go to another VIP and join, and they blow their account. Why not join for the one that is a little bit expensive, but it will give you the financial freedom you want? It will keep you going. Instead of discouraging you, it will encourage you. That's what I want to show you. This is a very early update I'm bringing. You will say, okay, I bought the update and you are going to trade it yourself. Let me tell you the truth. There is power behind WINFXTRADING. It's not easy to know when to buy. Even if there is a buy signal, to buy this market, you don't know the strategy I'm using. So that's why you need to humble yourself, kneel down, and drink milk from the people that are expert. And you have to pay the price. It's not something we do free. You join VIP, simple. If you come to my public channel, there is no much free signal, because I know what it takes to get it. It's not easy. So thank you and bye for now.
If you're prepared to break the silence,